So today we're looking at this great case combination with a MagSafe wallet attached. Magbak was kind enough to send these to the channel for testing. And I must admit, ever since I got this case, I've been addicted. It's so snappy and handy. It also comes with a few extra magnets for your car, if you don't have a magnetic car holder yet. Packaging feels very premium because even that comes with closing magnets. Imagine that. I've shown bookcases on this channel that don't even have that and cost $70. I'm looking at you, Samsung. In general, MagSafe cases are disappointing, with only a few exceptions. Normally, the glue that holds the magnets in place is not good. Or the magnets stick to your phone instead of the case. Or maybe they're just not as strong as you hoped, or just don't work as intended by Apple. But with this case, all of those issues are gone and you can enjoy MagSafe as intended. It really feels as snappy as it could be. The case itself is not bulky, but still feels very grippy. And like it's actually going to protect your phone. You can compare it with the Spigen Tin Fit, but with awesome magnets and with the grip of the original Apple silicone cases. The wallet to phone connection feels very strong, and I've only had a couple of times where it let loose while grabbing the phone out of my pocket. But with most of the time it stays connected like it should. Now what's funny about the wallet is that you can use it as a stand too. There are hidden magnets in the top area, which are also used for the car mount if you have the wallet attached. So you don't have to take the wallet off while you're driving, which makes it even easier. I would say the only downside being that it only fits 4 cards. So you'll have to make choices which cards to take. There is also space for cash, but bills only of course, not coins. This may be a little hard to grab if you have 4 cards and cash in there, but that also means you will never lose money. And nobody likes losing money. Now talking about the money, the case costs $55 and the wallet is around the same price, also like $55. But if you use the code INDECISIVE15, you can get 15% off. If you're interested or just want to check it out, the link is in the description. If this case isn't for you, then check out the channel for all my videos on the iPhone 13 Pro or stay tuned for my videos on the iPhone 14. Thanks a lot for watching, and for now, have a fantastic day.